So imagine a world where there is a rolling TV that comes with a touchscreen function on it, with an Android built-in system, with a 128 gigabytes of internal memory, and you can have an optional detachable, attachable camera on it, so you can use it almost like a separate computer, but also works as a TV with the flexibility of the movement of the screen. And lastly, with a TV stand that comes with 4 to 5 hours of battery supply with a wheel on it. That's exactly what we have here from a company called Sylvox. Now, Sylvox is very well known for providing outdoor weatherproof, waterproof TV, which I have actually featured one of the units on my channel, but this is a different kind, isn't it? So I'm really excited to try it out and see how it works. Let's get on with it. So this is 23 centimeters by 83 and a height of 53. Open it up. Woo! So straight out of box, user manual, warranty certificate. Woo! This is the actual stand and a spring reaction coming from here. This is how you clip it in, and this should be movable as well. Oh, this is quite heavy. So that's how it looks like. It comes with 5 different wheels and also the power cable and a good old battery indicator. And next, UK friendly, all the screwdriver, air remote, mouse. Oh, that's very nice. Actual power. Oh, bit of a bang. Fresh mint of a nice TV. You can see from the top port that you can actually mount the webcam, and that's how it looks like. Power switch, if you actually open up here. So earphone jack, microphone jack as well. That's very good. Type C, HDMI, 2 USB, and also for the memory card slot as well. Slot it right in, and it's very smooth. There you go. So this thing right into this. And the way you charge this, nicely built. You have to use this cover, screws as well. So for the battery, that's how it looks like. Slide it in. Follow the arrow to click on this. And then the screen protector. There you have it, folks. We have one beautiful screen. There's a separate switch on the base rolling unit. It's really nice, isn't it? It reminds me of one of those really nice display when you go to exhibition events, public space such as hospital. Well, actually it's much bigger than the hospital display. It came in as a default for portrait mode for me. Let's actually go for English. Oh, you can actually go for Korean as well. There's so many different languages because it's an Android built in. Now it's searching for the Wi-Fi connection, just like a smartphone, to synchronize with the app. This is literally a large, very large screen of a smartphone, Android. And if you actually rotate it, there you go, look at that. That is just beautiful, isn't it? It rolls around very smoothly, and you can actually adjust it up and down. This is the remote control. You can see the power button, which is pretty much just unlock, play and pause, and this one is for the mouse. It's moving by my hand gesture. Central control, the home button, and go back. This is for the quick menu, okay? So if you press that, there's the wallpapers, widgets, and home settings. Next, we got page up and down. So for example, we got Netflix here, and if we were to press down and up, we can actually turn on the mic and voice control, volume up and down. Since this is Android 14, it won't allow you to download every single one of the apps that you have on your smartphone. What I can't see working is Twitter X and RedNote, for example. So the way to go around this, use the Chrome, for example, and yeah, so you can actually log into your X on your Chrome. Amazon is not available either, but you can always use your Amazon login through the Chrome. I got eToro here as well, which I thoroughly enjoy watching because this is like a portrait mode. You can instantly see all the results coming in, which is brilliant. And going back to RedNote again, you can actually go around this. Now, I do want to highlight the Outlook actually. So if you click on it, that's the portrait mode, and you can literally adjust the size of the, the feed, email, and then the main page as well. and you can scroll up and down. I mean, that's just brilliant. The screen touch also is very quick response. Well, this is 1080p full HD. These are the dual 10-watt speaker, and it's very loud. So if you want to go through Netflix, you just click on that and watch one of your favorite TV shows. If you want to check your social media, for example, my Instagram feed, you just click on that, going up and down, and on your YouTube, that's how it is. And if you want to go to online, you can actually type it here, www. and so on. So this is my YouTube channel on a portrait view. So you will notice that there's a volume up and down button. So that's very good actually. I love the fact that they actually added here. And if you press the Android home button, it actually appears on a tiny screen as well. So I don't know about you, but the experience with mapping is just excellent with this display of functioning so far, okay? So let's say if you want to use Google Map, look at that. That is just beautiful. You can rotate it. So let's zoom out to show you. Like, yeah, you could do this sort of 360 degrees, and it's just an excellent sense of touch of movements that you can experience with mapping as well. I don't know what it is, but it feels like the world is under your palm kind of feel. So the main question is, do you need one? My conclusion is yes, because not only can you actually watch all the TVs and social media kind of post and scroll through the internet, but also the way how it is presenting itself physically, the way how you can adjust the height and rotate it as well with the 4 to 5 hours of battery life, and then move it around easily with the wheels around your house, wherever you want to be. It's a new thing. It doesn't feel like an old thing, but a new way to interact with the way of your daily life. And no wonder why these sort of things are now gathering attention on this social media, because people realize how effective this sort of TV display unit can be. And one of the things I really look forward to do is by placing it next to my computer display all over there along as an additional screen, or move it to my bedroom while I'm trying to go to sleep, watch it on my Netflix, for example. So yes, I would definitely recommend one for you to get. So I hope this video helped you understand how cool this rolling TV is from Sylvox. But if you have any queries, please do comment below. And thank you very much for watching this video. This is Robot Review Tech. All the best. Bye-bye.